elevation, draw the plan, draw the development of the cylinder that intersects the vertical one, the cylinder B. So that's what we are going to draw. And now for the start, what we shall do is to draw the given front, and then we complete it. Then we shall draw the plan, and then we complete with the development. Let's proceed. So let's first of all start by having our front. We can start from here, and the base is 50, so you can measure 50. And we can have the vertical. The height is 70 according to our question, so we complete. Next, we have our intersecting cylinder here that starts from 15 millimeter above the base, so we can measure 15 millimeter above the base. And because it joins it at 45 degrees according to the center line, this cylinder joins this one at 45 degrees, so this line will be 45. So we can draw a line 45 degrees. So this line here is 45. And this side here is 55, so we can measure 55. And this line here is, this line is perpendicular to this, so we have this line, draw 90 degree, and we can use this. Provide some space and draw the line 90 degree from there. And the diameter is 30, so you measure 30. This is 30 and our center point is 15. Okay, this line is parallel to that, so we can still have this other one. So that's the intersecting cylinder. We can draw this other center line. Because it is 50 diameter, 25th gives us the center point. And now we can draw a vertical line. And this vertical line is our center line. We can extend because it will assist us draw the plan. Next, we can draw this other center line, which is 45 degrees. Now, these are the two cylinders. We want to draw the plan, and the plan for the vertical cylinder is a circle. So we want to draw a circle below this front elevation. and that circle is of the radius 25. So let's say our circle center is here. We can draw that circle. We can also draw a center line for this circle, the horizontal center line. Next is we have to draw the plan for the intersecting cylinder, and this one here we shall project this point and this one to be shuttled back to the plan or to the ground. So we project this, and we also project this other one. Now, this one will this space will give us the plan for that cut face, and now this other one falls inside this space, and now we are going to transfer this diameter. We transfer this diameter here. We mark that and we mark that. Once we have marked, we can project this line. Project this line. Then we also project this other one. Once we have done this, we are going to draw some circles. The end elevation of this at this side, a semicircle, equal distance with this radius and this other one again. So we are going to draw this semicircle here of this radius. We draw that semicircle. Similarly, we do the same here. Next is we divide the circles in 6 equal parts, and to divide it in 6 equal parts we use the same radius. Starting here we can make that arc, and coming here we make this arc. We come here, we make that arc, and then also we make this other arc. Similarly here, make this arc and cut that. Cut this, then come here, cut that, come here, cut this. Okay, those are the subdivisions. We can number them as 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Looking from top, our 3 comes here. Okay, it comes here. So we have 3, 2, 1, 0 is a reverse, 2, 1, 0. So we can join this one here. So we are going to project this line, this point on this other side. They will meet our plan. So let's do it. we can bring this you bring it here, bring number 2, bring number 2, bring number 1, then this other one, they are going to be parallel to this, so we draw the lines. They are 45-degree lines. So starting with the first one, so bring that, bring number 2, then bring number 1, then bring number 2. Okay, once they have come, we shall draw vertical lines from this point, just like we have drawn this point and this one. To move up, they will cross these other lines, and this one we can use a vertical straight edge. So I start with the first one. We draw that. We come to the second one. We draw that. Then the third one. We draw that. Once you have done that, we want to know where the curve is going to pass through. So starting with 0, we look for where 0 is. 0 is here. We have 0, so they meet here. Second is 1, 1. Then we look for 1. 1 is here. The 1 is also here. It's 1 and 1. Then we have 2. 2 is here. Then we also have 2 here. Then we have 3. 3 is here. Then 3 is also here. So we shall join with a curve. It will give us a curve of intersection at the points. So this is how we join. So what we have gotten is the plan and the front elevation, full plan and the full front elevation having a curve of intersection. We are remaining with now having the development of this other cylinder. We said this is cylinder A and this is now B. So how do we get cylinder, the development of cylinder B? It means we are going to have, first of all, to extend this baseline, and we open it up at a point, we can say 0.3. So we draw that baseline. Once we've drawn the baseline, we are going to get the circumference of this. Circumference of this, because we know that our diameter was 30. So we are going to calculate the circumference as pi d, 3.142 multiplied by 30, and we get, so we get it as 94.2. Now once we have it, we are going to measure. Let's say starting from here, we can measure 94.2 that is 9.42, somewhere here. Then we shall draw a vertical line here. So we draw this vertical line. Then also we draw this other line. These lines are parallel to this and this. Once we have done this, we are going to divide it into 12 equal parts. And for us to divide it in 12 equal parts, we can have another line. Then we have 12 divisions. It's 1, 2. So those are 12 divisions. Then we are going to join this point back to the end point. So we transfer other points. The first one is here. Now we can number these divisions as, if we want to open this from 3, we can number this as 3, 2, we now alternate to 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, finish with 3. So we are again going to draw lines which are parallel to this from all those points. This point, this point, they are parallel. So what we do, we still do the same, starting from here. We can draw these parallel lines. So the first one, once we have that, we are going to draw lines parallel to the baseline from all those points along the curve, moving this side. So the first point, second, in that order, moving they are parallel to this. So we can start by drawing them. And now to draw this, we can use this edge. Then fix this side. We can draw this. This one. This. That. This other one. Second last, then lastly, So we shall draw them. The number 1, can bring the 0 one, the number 2, write them down here. This number 2 is still here, and brought it. Last one. So we can complete them. Then we have this. We have this. We have this. Last this. Now what we shall do, first of all, we can get to know where 1 is. Or 3. This is 3. And now this is 3. And now this is 2. Where we have 2, we can put dot. This is 2. And this one is 2. And this is 1. We come and mark for 1 and 1. Then 0. 0 is here. 0. Then 1 again. 1. This is 1. And we have 1. Then 2. 2 is here. And then we have 2. Then last 3. So those points will be joined. To give us the plan of this face from top, and this one. So thank you very much. That's what we were supposed to draw for today. We were to draw to complete the front, draw the full plan, and the development of the intersecting cylinder B. Otherwise, enjoy your day. Consider